Have you ever wondered how to maintain equipment safety and reliability? A 100-hour inspection is essential for ensuring operational safety and compliance. Discover how eAuditor can revolutionize your inspection process. Understanding why 100-hour inspections matter is crucial. They ensure operational safety and reliability. They detect mechanical wear early, maintaining compliance. These inspections reduce unexpected failures. They support preventive maintenance programs. Start by configuring a digital checklist in eAuditor. This includes asset identification and operating hours verification. Enable evidence capture for non-compliant items. Align your inspection with standards and manuals. Ensure compliance with regulatory requirements. Begin by verifying critical asset information. Check the asset serial number and operating hours. Review previous inspection records. Document any outstanding defects. Conduct a comprehensive engine inspection for reliability. Inspect mechanical components for wear and damage. Check hydraulic systems for leaks and pressure integrity. Examine electrical systems for proper function. Ensure all systems comply with safety standards. Address any identified issues promptly. Inspect safety and control systems thoroughly. Check emergency systems like stop buttons. Assess control response and calibration. Evaluate protective devices for effectiveness. Ensure structural integrity for long-term reliability. Log defects with detailed comments in eAuditor. Assign corrective actions to responsible personnel. Track completion and verification digitally. Ensure accountability and traceability throughout the process. Address critical defects immediately to prevent operation. Conducting inspections with eAuditor enhances safety and compliance. Digital procedures ensure thorough assessments and early defect detection. Embrace digital inspections for improved reliability and maintenance efficiency.